For children in Ukraine, war is not just in history books, it's their daily reality. A missile threat in Kyiv, a blaring siren, and a classroom suddenly shifts underground. For these 8-year-old students, an air raid doesn't mean school is cancelled. Instead, they clutch their textbooks and pencils as they make their way into a dimly lit bomb shelter. Inside, lessons resume. One group of children practices cursive, another reads quietly. And in the middle of it all, something unexpected, a dance class. In this small crowded basement, amid the threat of war, life carries on. Valentina Marianic, an art teacher in the school, has seen the emotional transformation of her students, not through words, but through their artwork. In 2022, when the war just began, their drawings were filled with war, tanks rolling down streets, fighter jets in the sky, missiles striking buildings.
Вони малювали в першу чергу, що танки, літаки, бомбьошки, а зараз вони вже малюють сонце, райдугу, веселку, малюють квіти, малюють щось прекрасне. Тому що і навіть хлопці казали, що вже зовсім інший рівень дітей, чого вони хочуть. Вони хочуть перемоги, хочуть радості, хочуть весни, хочуть спокою.
Now their sketches have changed. They draw sunshine, blooming flowers, and quiet villages, places they long to return to, but war still lingers in their hearts. When Valentina asked students to draw their most memorable moments of the invasion, some depicted school holidays and Christmas celebrations. Others sketched tanks, burning homes, and missing loved ones. 8-year-old Solomia Karanda remembers a home that no longer exists. Her grandmother's village in southern Ukraine was hit by a missile. She fled to Romania, and Solomia hasn't seen her since. Now every time she hears an air raid siren, fear grips her. The trauma is undeniable.
Там близько до бабусі, там попала ракета в один дім, але зараз його вже відбудовують. Ну, да, вона злякалась і переїхала жити в Румунію. Ну, війна – це коли як ми можемо з подружками посваритися, а це коли країни сваряться між собою. То я коли залишаюся одна і чую тривогу, то мені страшно і не по собі. Тому в більшості я закриваю двері в кімнаті і просто лежу на кроваті зі своїми іграшками. Мені якось так не дуже страшно. Ми проснемося, будемо дуже раді і прийдемо, напевно, на якусь вечірку українську, там, де всі будуть радіти, що війна закінчилась.
Ukraine's Ministry of Education reports that over 50,000 children sought professional help for mental health issues in the first 9 months of 2024, 3 times more than last year. Even as the world is shaped by war, these children still find ways to be children. They laugh, they dance, they dream. As world leaders, including US President Donald Trump, push for a peace deal, Ukraine's youngest citizens continue living in a war zone, one that has already stolen 3 years of their childhood. The question remains, will peace come soon enough to heal the scars they carry? They've grown up in the shadow of war, but they refuse to let it define them. While the world debates the future of Ukraine, these children simply dream of a world where sirens no longer interrupt their lessons. For now, their classrooms remain underground, but their hope, it remains unshaken. Bureau Report, India Today Global.